The never-ending friendship keeps the relationship in touch at all times. Friendship in the Bible is often described as a deep and meaningful bond between individuals based on mutual love, trust, and support. The Bible offers several insights into the nature of friendship. In Proverbs chapter 17, verse 17, a friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time of adversity. This verse highlights the enduring nature of friendship, emphasizing that true friends stand by each other through both good times and bad. In Proverbs chapter 18 verse 24, one who has unreliable friends soon comes to ruin, but there is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. This verse underscores the importance of choosing loyal and trustworthy friends as they can provide support and companionship even in the most challenging circumstances. In John chapter 15, verse 13 to 15, in this passage, Jesus speaks to his disciples saying, "Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. You are my friends if you do what I command. I no longer call you servants because a servant does not know his master's business. Instead, I have called you friends, for everything that I learned from my Father I have made known to you." Here, Jesus exemplifies the ultimate form of friendship through sacrificial love and intimate sharing of knowledge. In Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 9 to 12, two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of three strands is not quickly broken. This passage emphasizes the practical benefits of friendship, including mutual support, companionship, and strength in unity. Overall, friendship in the Bible is depicted as a cherished relationship characterized by love, loyalty, support, and mutual respect. It is seen as a source of comfort, encouragement, and strength in both joyful and challenging times.